Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Made in Heaven in YBA. This ultimate stand requires dedication and specific steps. You'll begin with a foundational stand, Whitesnake, and then embark on a series of quests. The process involves collecting unique items and defeating challenging bosses. It's a rewarding path that culminates in one of the game's most sought-after evolutions. Your first major step is acquiring the Seamoon stand. This begins by obtaining Whitesnake, which is your base. Next, locate the Poochie non-player character, often found near the castle area. He will assign you several quests, typically involving defeating various non-player enemies. Upon successful completion, Poochie will reward you with the green baby. Use this item on your Whitesnake stand to evolve it into the powerful Seamoon. With Seamoon, you'll pursue crucial items. First, gather all 4 Saints Corpse parts, typically by winning the Steel Ball Run game mode. Then, confront Heaven Ascension Dio in the Heaven dimension. He has about an 8% chance to drop Dio's bone. Finally, after a quest from Poochie, you must defeat Jotaro to acquire his unique disc. These items are vital for the final evolution. For the final evolution, ensure your Seamoon stand has 5 worthiness. Travel to the tallest peak located on the game map. Once there, with both Dio's bone and Jotaro's disc in your inventory, summon your Seamoon stand. An animation will play, and your Seamoon will transform into the incredibly fast and powerful Made in Heaven. Congratulations on achieving this formidable stand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.